Yoga and meditation are a waste of time if you're trying to get sober. Yeah, they might make you feel good, but they're not gonna fix your addiction. If they're not going to AA, they're literally just pretending that they're not an addict. And while they're in AA, they might as well jump on some medication too. That'll fix the problem. What? Do you even know what holistic means? It means focusing on the physical, mental, and spiritual health of the human being. And it's 100% about creating a personalized approach to sobriety. And it is scientifically proven that a happier person does not practice addictive behavior. The happier a person is and the more fulfilled they are as a person, the less likely they are to take on addictive behaviors. So if you think meditation, nutrition, and therapy are completely ineffective, then the only thing you care about is these people getting sober. Sober is pointless if you don't enjoy your quality of life. Not to mention, dude, just because you haven't heard or practiced all these alternative methods doesn't mean that they're less effective or less widely known. Okay, but when you look at the data, there is insufficient evidence that's proving that alternative methods are better than programs like AA. Why would you even bother doing anything else when you got the big book? Just because there's more evidence and a longer history of AA being effective, that doesn't mean there's not an efficient enough evidence to prove that a holistic approach to recovery is equally or not more beneficial than AA. And just because something is widely available and more well known doesn't mean it is the best option for everybody. If alternative recovery methods that focus on the person instead of the problem weren't as effective as AA, then why is there so much evidence proving that people that become a different version of themselves are less likely to practice alcoholic behavior?